Hey guys, so I'm back and the ribs have been cooking in a low oven for a good 2 hours, 2 hours and 10 minutes. So you definitely want to do this on a day where you don't have a lot of in and out errands to run. Do it like, when you have time to sort of sit and do other things while they cook in the oven. So I'm going to remove the foil. And as you can see, they're giving off a lot of steam and they smell delicious. And I don't know if you can see here, probably not, but they definitely give off a lot of juice as they're cooking. So what you want to do, what I usually do is drain off a little bit of the juice, just so that the barbecue sauce really sticks well. Okay, not all of it, just a little bit of it, because you don't want the ribs swimming. Okay, so you just have a little bit of the juice still at the bottom, okay, but they're not covered in juice. So not that long ago, I found a really delicious brand of store-bought barbecue sauce. The brand is called Rib Rack. I don't know if you can see that. And I really like it. The flavors are great. Usually we go for the campfire cider flavor, but today I'm using the sweet honey, which is a little bit more traditional for spare ribs. And what I like, obviously they're gluten-free and they don't have any high fructose corn syrup. My kids really, really love the campfire cider. I use them all the time for chicken wings. So today I'm going to use the sweet honey. And I mean, this couldn't be easier. I gave it a little shake before, but just shake up the bottle. Okay, and then you literally just want to pour out. It does not have to be perfect. Pour out your barbecue sauce right directly onto the ribs, and then using a silicone brush, you just want to make sure that it really lathers on well. Okay, and you want to do this on both sides. So gently flip them over here. Okay, you want to add a little bit more to the underneath of the ribs. And again, slather it on with your silicone brush. Really get like in all the little nooks and crannies of the joints of the ribs. And then I'm going to do that with my other 2 racks of ribs. And now what I'm going to do is flip the ribs back over, and then I am going to put them back into the oven, uncovered this time, at 325 for another half an hour. So the total time for these ribs is about 3 hours, which you really need that time for them to be finger licking, bone sucking good. So I'm gonna get these back in the oven. I'm gonna work on my 2nd rack and 3rd rack of ribs here, and I'm gonna pop them back in the oven and I'll show you what they look like when they're done.